Third point in for the symmetry is symmetry in the opposite quadrant. Okay. Now, how it will be defined? If equation of the curve remains unaltered, if equation of the curve remains unaltered when both x and y are changed, negative of x and negative of y respectively. The curve so called is symmetry in opposite quadrant. And I have drawn a rough sketch for y is equal to sin x. Now, example, the graph of y is equal to sin x represents symmetry about opposite quadrant. Okay, and here is the graph, and the distance from each and every point of this side is equal to the distance of each and every point of this side in the negative sign. Okay. So, symmetry in the opposite quadrant shows for the graph of y is equal to sin x, and it should be like this. Okay. It should be like this also, it can be in this quadrant also. Okay.